guys, Jet Tila here, and welcome to another food school. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Thai toasted rice powder. In Thailand and Laos and that Golden Triangle, it is a great condiment for a lot of protein salads like larb or waterfall salad. You basically turn rice into something that's toasted and crunchy, and also when it becomes a flour, it soaks up all the delicious dressing. So, toasted rice flour. Let's do this. So I'm starting with jasmine rice, but you can start with just about any type of white rice you like. I like jasmine because it is very fragrant. I think it smells like sweet bamboo. Some people would say it smells like jasmine, but you always want to start with a white rice also because it doesn't have the husk. It's going to turn into flour really easily. So what we're gonna do is toast this jasmine rice into a dry pan. So I'm starting with a common 7 to 9 inch pan. You wanna get this pan about medium. You want this rice to toast evenly at about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't wanna just blacken the outside because you're toasting, which is drying, and you're also browning, which is making it very fragrant. So you're gonna wanna turn this every few seconds over a medium-high heat. You can also give it a toss over if you're comfortable. Again, if you're not comfortable using your hands, just get a wood spoon. You wanna keep the rice moving so you don't get any burn spots. I call what you're looking for GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. And this is it. You've got a little variation, you have some white, some brown, but nothing that looks burnt. So now that the rice is toasted perfectly, let's get it into the mortar and actually grind it down. Oh yeah, you hear that? So what I'm looking for is most of it being kind of sand texture. A little bit of full grains is fine. This is a crunchy topping that's going to be on larb or waterfall salad, a lot of those northern Thai or eastern Isan Laotian salads. And it's going to be excellent because it's going to add crunch, and it's also going to absorb a lot of the sauce flavors. And you're going to get just way more flavor and a lot of texture in every bite. And that's how you make Thai toasted rice powder. If you want to actually see me cook with it and use it, check out the larb video and the larb kit.